How to install eSim into iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Mobile Service as shown. As you can see, you are currently only using one network or SIM. If you want to add another SIM, then scroll further down and tap on Add eSIM. You can set up eSIM from here. You can transfer a phone number from a nearby iPhone or scan a QR code provided by your carrier. For example, tap on Transfer from nearby iPhone. To transfer a phone number from another iPhone, make sure your other iPhone is nearby, unlocked and has Bluetooth on. Then, go back and tap on Use QR code. And then, tap on Scan QR code below. You can either scan the QR code or enter an activation code manually if you don't have the QR code. Tap on Enter Details manually. You can now enter the activation code over here. You can also use the Transfer from Android option. Following these steps, you can easily install eSIM into iPhone.